Hello everyone, this is Marcel again with the scoop on another scam. This time we'll be talking about the scam of blowing your garden sprinklers for the winter. Well, they do not have to be blown if they are installed properly. Plain and simple. The whole system should be installed with a slope towards a pit filled with gravel, drained rock or crushed rock. And in this pit, the system ends with the foot valve. There is a foot valve, is type of valve that it remains closed while pressurized, while you are using during the summertime or spring and the fall, while you are using the system, and the system is full of water and pressurized. Once you turn the pressure off to your sprinklers, the foot valve opens and the water slowly drains by itself into the gravel-filled pit and then dissipates in the ground. This is the way it should be installed. How it is installed, I don't know, but if it needs your system, garden sprinkler system needs to be blown with air for the winter to evacuate the water, well, the odds are it's not installed properly in the first place. So whoever did it, well, should do it for free. And that's my opinion about it. And now you know. Thank you. Bye.